Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm gonna tell you some benefits of reading books. Um, Number one is reading book is improve your every various area of your life. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. The firstly is reading books enhance enhance smarts. Well, it's turned out that reading helps in almost every area of smart. In general, make you smarter. No matter what you're wait you're waiting to do or become, you can't do it. You can't not do it without more knowledge. Reading is an excellent way to get where you wanting to go. Yes, and the secondly is reading books is reading is reduce stress. When I'm reading books, my mind is shift gives where I might had a stressful day. A book can easily distract me. Faction faction is fantastic for this. Thoughts sometimes it's hard to put it's very hard to put the book down if it's really good, really wonderful. Still, I will be relaxed. And the last is increased vocabulary. Reading first earth, reading first earth to look at words that we might not have seen or hear recently at the part. And yeah, I think if I have time, yeah, I will talking with you a lot of benefit. Uh, is For example is in improve your memory, improve your writing skills, help reduce strain. Yes, enhance intelligence. A lot of yeah, various area in the life. Reading books will improve. Yeah. See you next time. Bye.